Every year in January or February, Rehmat, a money lender who used to borrow money from others, would go back to his homeland to visit his family. Where he had his family, he used to go there every January or February. He was unusually busy during this period, collecting dues from his clients before the trip. He was unusually busy means which he was not busy throughout the year, but during this time he was very busy doing what? Doing collecting dues from his clients before the trip. Clients were the people who bought the things from him, and he used to collect the due money from those, so that he can collect all the money and go back to his family to help them financially. He had to rush from house to house, and yet he found time to visit Minnie. He had to rush from house to house. From one house to another, he had to rush. But even then, he found some time to visit Minnie. To see that huge man sitting in the corner of the house in the dark of the evening in his baggy clothes and usual sack would create a sudden fear in my mind. In the evening, to see that huge man sitting in the corner of the house in the dark, in his baggy clothes, hanging loose clothes, and usual sack, would create a sudden fear in others' mind. But the moment I saw Minnie rushing out of the house and greeting her friend, Kabuliwala, oh Kabuliwala, and the chums engaging in their familiar bantering and innocent laughter, my heart would fill with delight. But when I saw this, that Minnie was rushing out of the house and greeting her friend with the words Kabuliwala, oh Kabuliwala, and the chums, close friends, involving in their familiar bantering. Bantering is playful teasing and joking, playful talkings, and innocent laughter. My heart would fill with delight, with happiness. There was no more fear after seeing them both playing and talking happily. One morning, I was sitting in my room at about 8 o'clock when I heard some commotion in the street. Commotion is the shoutings and loud noises all together. Looking out, I saw our Rehmat in handcuffs. Handcuffs is the thing used to tie a convict by the policeman. Hatkadi, which we used to call in Hindi. Looking out, I saw our Rehmat in handcuffs, escorted by two policemen. Escorted, followed by two policemen with a whole host of street urchins trailing after them. With a whole host of street urchins is the word, young children full of mischief, naughty children of the street. Whole host of street urchins means a whole crowd of the young naughty children trailing after them, running and teasing the Rehmat, and was running after them.